Hey riders, we're here with a 2022 Indian Motorcycle Springfield. This is the color black metallic with dirt track tan. This bike comes equipped with the 111 cubic inch engine, and this is an air-cooled Thunderstroke 6-speed transmission with beautiful chrome finish, locking saddlebags to keep your belongings safe on the road, 2-up leather seat with adjustable passenger floorboards, rider floorboards, ABS braking system, as well as dual disc in the front. And we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come on in and check it out.